So one of the means of transportation here in the Philippines is riding a jeepney. We have also this jeep. Air condition. Bus are also available in transportation, but the main vehicle that we use here in the Philippines is jeepney. So there are some area here in the Philippines that there is a bus stop or a terminal, no? But most of the time, people can drop down to the destination that they want. They just say para to stop the jeep. So here. Usual capacity of the jeepney is 14 to 20 passengers, including the driver, the passengers near the driver. So these days, the minimum fare of the jeep is 13 pesos, and for the students, 11 pesos. Usually this is for the seniors and PWD near the bed. So seniors and students have discount for the fare. Will pay for minimum kilometers, 13 pesos. Bayad po. Bayad, may kisuyo. Salamat. Since we are near, we will say para to stop this jeep. Para po. Yan, so salamat sa pagsama niyo sa amin today. Thank you for being with us as you ride and travel using jeepney. So let's remember, be with Jesus.